guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Asmi, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. And if you like my video, please comment down in the comment section and I will meet you in the video. Bye bye.
जैसे कि मैं आप सबों को बता दूं, हम जा रहे हैं वो झारखंड के जमशेदपुर के बिष्टुपुर में सिचुएटेड है। हम सेंट जॉर्ज चर्च नॉर्दर्न टाउन जा रहे हैं, जिसको हम बिष्टुपुर वासी बी रोड चर्च के नाम से भी जानते हैं। जैसे कि अभी क्रिसमस वीक चल रहा है और पूरे जमशेदपुर में प्री क्रिसमस गैदरिंग ऑर्गेनाइज किया जा रहा है। इस प्री क्रिसमस गैदरिंग को ICEU के स्टूडेंट्स ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। ICEU का फुल फॉर्म मैं बता दूं, इंटर कॉलेजिएट एवेंजिकल यूनियन ऑफ जमशेदपुर।
And then I think everything has been explained, so we'll not go with that. But I think so. The negative side is the very most vital, important thing that we need to know. Why? Because let's take the simple example of the star. Star shows light. It gives light. But at that moment, at that point, star was directed, was commanded by the Lord to those three kings to get redirected and go to that particular point. But now, what we do with the stars? Like for the first point, we have written that the non-believers, what they do? Let's take the very empirical example, like we can take this tree. We will put a large tree, a big tree, with this hope and expectation that it will make a very big room of the space, and it will look very beautiful, and that will be eye-catching. But that is something which we are actually using for our own benefits, for our own happiness. But in that sense, maybe we are not focusing upon the faith that we are supposed to put on that Christmas day. So, lying with that example, stars, these days people they coordinate or they speculate about their future by those practices that they do with the stars a lot, those astronomy that you can say. That gives that the fact and the truth and the very bitter truth that we are focusing more upon the practices but not the Lord, but not the faith. At that point in the history, in the Bible, Lord commanded about the star that you three guys get redirected by the light of the star and go to that particular place. And after that, what we are doing, we are actually using the creation of the God for our own benefits, for our own purposes, but we are not embracing the creation of the God. I think you are getting it. We are not embracing the creation of the God. We are not embracing the Lord itself. That that we are not giving in thanksgiving. We are actually respecting Him by only utilizing the creation of the God for our own benefits. Astronomy. Like we can that we see, we wear all those stones and all everything, right? We make sculptures or statue. This example is all encompassing all those bad practices that we in the faith, in believers, we are doing. And this is the bitter truth. So that we have we decided to emphasize more upon your negative sides. Now, till this point, many have spoken about the positive sides. Great, but all of a sudden we decided that let's go with the negative side because bitter truths are more accurate, and those things are very important to be known in the faith. So, same thing. We rely upon those practices that we do. Like the basic facts we have written, that black magic or voodoo, whatsoever we do, and wearing all those ornaments, or for the simple example that for the entire year you do not go to the church, but on special occasions like Christmas or Easter, you go to the church with this hope that I'm going this one single day, and the rest of the days are registered, and definitely it's the roadway to the heaven. That's the example this shows, like this stuff. God is showing the direction, but you are just looking on those particular aspects, those practices, but you are not looking upon what it is going to lead you. Okay, so the life is very critical. It's very, it can give you that various types of images. We have to know by our own faith that where we are supposed to go. So the only one positive aspect we can write is that by the metaphysics you can learn that with the stars we can get the direction, and going biblically by the faith you are supposed to know that star in the Bible is about the direction, is about the hope. Someone said right now, is about getting the light, but It's more than that. It's all about the faith that we need to focus more about. Not about just showcase about your faith, or boasting about the faith that okay, I'm so much regular, I'm doing this and stuff, and we are going for fellowships, but we are actually not going for the fellowship and we are not talking to each other. That means I'm not getting that particular verse. I'm sorry if I'm going wrong, but I think so. It's very much important to speak this about that. I'm not able to get that particular verse where it has been commanded that when somebody is in pain, then grieve along with that person. Before that, it has been commanded that if somebody is happy, then go with the happiness. We are just focusing upon the happiness, but we are not focusing on the pain, because when you are wrong with the painful guy, definitely you want to get into that too. Okay, so we only see about the comfort. Same goes with the star. You know, stars are like very shiny and all everything. We just want to wear it, but we are not actually focusing, or not. We are not actually trying to know about what are the aspects, what are the the things, the beautiful things which has been created by the Lord through the star by the stars. So the conclusion that with this terrible star that we have made is this, that more than the beauty, or more than the physical beauty or anything, focus on your faith, embrace your faith, though it is quite a bit tough, but definitely it is going to lead to the heaven. Thank you.
Fantastic.